What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We're back for another Nike outlet video, guys. I'm in Orange County, San Clemente, California. So obviously I'm at the San Clemente Nike outlet, you guys. My third stop today. And yeah, it's been hot at all the other places, but got a bunch of fog right next to the beach. Yeah, all right, let's go see what's up, you guys. Don't have a line. Get to walk right in. Hope we can find some dope stuff. Use that 30% off coupon. Want to use it up, you guys. I see a bunch of resellers buying a bunch of stuff. All right, let's go straight upstairs because the resellers might have taken everything. Yeah, I'm not hating on the resellers. I'm just jealous because I haven't gotten anything yet. See if we can find some dope stuff. So the downstairs is the women's section, I believe, if I remember. Then upstairs is the kids and the men's section, you guys. So yeah, let's see what's up. We are going to start in the 10.5s. Because that's my size. Let's see what we find. Dang, it looks like that's what everybody bought out. You guys look. Dang. Got more empty spaces because people bought stuff out. Starting with some PG4s. With a busted. Oh man, that box looks garbage. Oh my goodness, it looks like total garbage. Man, 90 bucks for those, size 10. Dang, prices are high here. What the heck? Nike Rec Flyknit 2's going for $110. Presto's going for 70. Man, almost fooled me. Almost fooled me, guys. Dang, not finding much at all, you guys. What is this? The Nike Varsity Complete Trainer 3s? Stuff I've never even heard of. React T70s going for $120. What the heck? Oh, PCG. It's in the PCG box. Alright, so yeah, I guarantee you those aren't $120. Oh, wait. Oh, these are kind of dope. The Tailwinds. Not seen this colorway too much. Dang. I think we've only seen these once. They're down to $80 now. 80 bucks. These are fire, dude. These are dope, man. Yeah, especially with the discounts too. Remember, you do get the 20% off, the cash wall, and then you also get that 30% off coupon in-app. You got some Element React 55s, go for 70. These are size 10s. Got the Janowski mid slips, go for 55. These are like the kind of dress shoes type of ones. Odyssey React Flyknit 2s going for $50. Let's see, what is this? Odyssey React Flyknit 2s going for $60. More of these bad boys, size 10. There's a bunch of size 10. Do got more Prestos. Looks like they got these in several sizes. 70 right there. Pegasus. Yeah, I don't know. I refuse to believe that a lot of this stuff is regular price. What is this? So Renew Run going for $45. Okay. That's everything from 10 to like the smaller sizes. So yeah, the small sizes, there's not much here. You got some of the budget shocks. These are size 8.5, going for what, 75? Oh, these are the ones I did see. I couldn't figure these out. These are going for $129. Oh, okay. We saw these at Citadel go for full price. Got some Jordan 1 lows, but they are cleats. That's size 9.5. They selling this for retail, you guys. Wow. We saw these sitting for like 60 bucks at Long Beach a while back. Yeah, they're going for 95. Okay. Nike React Infinity Run Flyknit going for $120. That's a size 9. Yeah, are these the Metcons? Metcon Flyies, but I see, isn't that the PG logo? Okay. They're the Flyies, I don't know what, but yeah. Pretty cool color, going for $100. So Metcon 6, wow. Dang, they consider this a premium shoe here. Size 9, Nike Air, the BB next NXTs. Dang, retail price. Dang, I was so excited to come to some new outlets that I haven't been to in a long time, and it's been a bust, you guys. Size 7 right here, go for $90. These are the Fear of God mocks. Okay, got some Pegasus, 8.5. Pegasus turbos, I mean. Okay, so it's 125. And this is a size 6, man. Is this the only thing I'm gonna be able to show as a thumbnail, you guys? This is a size 6. I can't do the clickbait for you guys like that, huh? Okay. Dang, man. That's at 140, and then you get 20%, 30%. So that's probably what, 70 bucks? Okay. We're gonna see what's up with the bigger sizes. I think this is 11s, and then 12, 13s and stuff go over there on that side. Let's see what's up. Slim pickings, man. The resellers got everything. I just saw When I was coming in, I saw a reseller pack up his car, and then downstairs we saw them with all the bags. Like, I don't know, I think they got everything. Element React 55s go for $70 here, size 11. 270 Reacts, 11 and a half. Let's go for 90 bucks. 11 and a half's got a couple different colorways, same price. Then got some Witness 3s going for 60. More size 11s. Epic React Find It 2 going for 60. The Dunks, Alpha Dunks going for $50. Wow, I can't believe how cheap those are. Size 12 and 13 in its own section right here. I'm so curious to see what price these are going for. This is the Enlightenment colorway, size, I think this is size 12. Dang, going for $110. We saw these for like 50 bucks. Like, I think 40, I think we've seen them for as low as 40 at the retail shops. Dang. You guys, it's like the same stuff over and over, dude. We just saw those. Those are going for 60, extended size price, I guess. More Metcons, more of these Element Reacts. I didn't show you guys this earlier. I saw the one in size 11 and a half. Oh, yep, same thing. There are more monies, you guys. There are more monies with those things. Yeah, I'm so not a fan of these. Oh, man, this is a busted box. For 60 bucks, 11 and a half. All right, we're about to get to size 13, but look at this. They do have the Aerospace 720s, all red. Kind of dope. Go for $140. Odyssey, I find the 2, size 12, going for 35. That's a hell of a deal, wow. Size 13s, got the Hirachis going for 50 bucks. Odyssey, I find it 235, just been given away at the bigger sizes now. What is this? This is a Pegasus 37s. Okay, retail price. Fly E, so you can just open it up easily. What's this? Oh, it's a Joyride, going for $55. More of these, size 14s, going for 50. I think that's about it. Let's go check out the aisle, see what's up. React 270s, more React 270s. Got some Prestos, Element 87s, Air Max 2 lights. They do have a slew of Metcons. Dang, this whole aisle is filled with Metcons. Wow, these are the Metcon 5s. Dang, this is like the Bruce Lee colorway. Kind of reminds me of the Kobe Bruce Lees that are about to come out. That's funny. Metcon 5s. More Metcon 5s. The last one. And I think these are the Metcon 4s. Okay. They got some more Tailwinds. Dang, another Air Max 200? The colorway is not bad on this. More Prestos. Oh, okay, they do got the Tailwinds. This is the Stranger Things one. This one is actually dope. If I could find this on, like, for a little bit cheaper, obviously with the 30% off, it would go under 100, but I need this cheap. And I'm hoping I can find one. Because, yeah, this is one you could rub off. I've talked about it a bunch of times. You could rub certain things off. You actually have to tear it off. Some people burn it off. Some people use a knife right here, right here, and right here. Right here, it's all denim underneath. Pretty dope. Sizes 10 all the way to size 13. That's what they got right here. The Air Max 95s. They do have a few more aisles, but like the real generic stuff, you guys, stuff I don't even know the name of. Then the last aisle right here, this is the one where a bunch of stuff sold out. Looks like they were SBs. Some of the Czech Solars, I don't know. Really good deals on them, I guess. I don't know. So this is the entire upstairs, you guys. Men's as well as the GS section. Not really seen that many sales, especially with the apparel, because some of the other locations we've seen some steep discounts. Not here though. Not here at all. Dang, that panning actually looked really good. Dang, look at these Air Force 2s, you guys. Air Force 2 lows. Man, people be sleeping on these. A lot of people don't even know about them. Super dope. Look very similar to the Dunks. It is in the Nike SB family. Man, I'm just a fan of these. And then bread pants, the bread Jordan shorts, and then just a black t-shirt. And then you don't gotta rep the Niners even though they suck right now. Alright, so everything in the back, that's the men's section right there. The last row right there, and all this is the GS. Didn't really see much in the GS, so we're gonna go downstairs. Let's go check out the women's section. And yeah, let's see what we can find. So now this is the bottom section, you guys. This is all women's. So this is a pretty decent sized store. Let's go see what's on the clearance section. So the clearance section is all throughout the back right here. I think they get 2 walls, the side wall right here and then the back wall. But it's not the entire back wall, it's just a portion of it. Starting with the size 9.5, so you got some Air Max 720s, it's an 818. It's going for $100. What's this? Is this Vapor? Yeah, the Vapor Cage. These are the tennis shoes, specific for tennis. Size 9.5. Okay. Retail game, I guess. What are these? The Vista grinds go for 80 bucks, like the chunkiest midsole ever. That's going for $80, size 11.5. Oh, what size is it? Size 9.5 right here. Got the Air Max 98s. They had these last time when I came, what, 2 months ago or something? Vomero, size 9.5. Going for 100 bucks. So you got some Space Hippie, size 9.5. Going for retail though. Oh, okay. These are dope. They had these 2 months ago when I came. Air Max 98s. Going for $90. More size 9.5. They got these. Is this a cover or something? Oh, dang, you can take it off right there. Alright, I guess I messed that up. Okay. These are going for $80. Air Max 98s. Air Max DIAs. No, these are definitely not Pegasus Turbos. I don't know the price. Okay, maybe these are the Pegasus Turbos they're supposed to be in. But yeah, $80 for these? That's a pretty decent price. I think that's the one I got for the homie, for my brother-in-law. Okay.
Put over here more.
Yeah, we're good. Thanks. Okay, here's the DIAs. Just found another $60 for these. Alright, we're gonna look at the smaller sizes now. Okay. Pretty underwhelming, guys. Those is the Air Max Bella Trainer 2s. And then I was like, they're trying to get retail. No, 55. Okay, still too much. Okay, finally something different colorway of the Tailwinds. But yeah, we know that's not going for retail. What the heck? Size 8. What is this? I've never seen these before. Air Max 270s? Oh, we did see this. Air Max 270 XX. Okay. $125 for that. Size, what's that? Size 8? Not really finding much, you guys. Just not much at all. Infinity Run Flyknit. It's going for $120. That's size 7.5. Yeah, I see more of these Air Max Bella trainers. What the heck? Joyride 2 Fun Pods. Size 7.5 going for what? 65. Okay, size 7. We got some Elements going for 100 bucks. That's actually a cool colorway. 270 Reacts going for $80. Size 7. Okay, new colorway of the Tailwinds because we've seen all the other ones go for 90 bucks. Size 7. More of these. Got these in plenty of sizes going for $80. Alright, let's go see what's going on the aisles. Why have we seen so many Metcons lately? Holy crap. Metcon 5s. More Metcon 5s. These are the React Metcons. Dang, super cheap. Okay, 65, dang. Got some Pegasus 36s. Dang, they got a few of the Team Bank colorways. All going for a little much though. No, that's a pinkish colorway, I guess. A pink colorway. Plum and Quartz colorway. Oh my goodness, I'm just interested to see how many there are. More of the Team Bank ones. Okay, these aren't 36, these are 35s. That's what I was trying to tell you guys. Like, they're very, very similar. The tongue is the biggest difference, I believe. More 35s. Dang, on the other side, more 36s. I think this is the same colorway as right there, right? Then we got the 37s. Dang, some of the 37s on such a huge sale. Wow, this is a TB colorway. More Team Bank. I'm so curious to see the difference between the women's and the men's. These do have Zoom Air in them, but the PSI is different from the men's and the women's. I think the women's is like 15 PSI, the men's is 20. So I believe the women's should be a little more cushiony, to be honest. So kind of want to try both of them. Eventually, when they come to eyelets, I guess I'll try to compare them and see if I see a difference. Then there's the Vomeros right there. Very similar technology to the Pegasus 37s. 270 Reacts right there. More 270 Reacts. Dang, they have quite a few of them. I think that's the last one. Got a few Air Max 200s. Oh, okay. Both of these the same price. Oh, I guess they only have two. Because this one is an Air Max 2090. Okay. Got some React Visions right here. Wow, these are shiny. Air Max 90s. Chrome colorway. Air Zoom Spiridon cages. Made for tennis. Then I don't really... There's some Veronas right here. Go for way too much. Some more Veronas. Yeah, stuff that I don't really know. Alright, let's look to see if there's anything else worth looking into. I think that's about it, you guys. I think that's about it. Really no deals in the clothing here compared to a lot of the other Nike outlets. I think we're gonna have to wrap it up. Just not much. Sorry if it's a shorter vlog, you guys. Dang, those are some huge balls, you guys. Wow. Speaking of huge, look at that huge Christmas tree. Holy guacamole, that's crazy. Alright, now we can wrap it up. Alright, you guys, that was San Clemente, guys, or the Nike outlet in San Clemente. Yeah, you know, you guys know Nike outlets are a big hit or miss, and yeah, we kind of got a miss this time, you guys. There just wasn't much. I said earlier that there were a couple of resellers that just had bags and bags and bags, and I'm like, did they get all the good stuff, or did they just not have much? And you know, it is what it is. I don't know, you guys. I don't know, and that's kind of what makes the Nike outlets fun, because you know, like, you just never know what you're gonna get. Unfortunately, you do have some of these visits where you don't get jack, but it is what it is. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Definitely appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys help your boy out. Press that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead, press that subscribe button, you guys, and smash that notification bell too, because I do drop a lot of videos, you guys. I really do. I'm hoping you guys get a video every day this week, and you might get two. Might get two on a couple days. So yeah, stay tuned, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace. I guess they do a drive-in movie after hours. That's pretty dope. They got a concession stand right there, and then they got the movie screen. That's like the perfect spot for that. That's dope. And I guess the sun's about to set. I think I still got 1 or 2 more stops. Let's see what happens.